man can give you 20 million naira, more than 20 million naira without sleeping with you. What do you sell? You sell value. If you know, your analysis means that if 100 men has 20 million naira, 100 men can sleep with you. And if 100 men can sleep with you, invariably you are public. Day one, Afambu Chomoji, aka Igbo, aka Chibibiti, beauty, brains, and talents. Tata, there is a very important topic that brought me here. Before I start, what do you nagacha broadcast here? Broadcast naga this live broadcaster. What do you ana injection? Oh, we do naga ana injection in your brain. Because it seems like you people don't reason or plan whatever you want to say before you say. You just go there, open your mouth, wah, and talk and disgrace everybody. This message is to Saida Butch. Yes, you're going to say, what's my business? I'm a Igbo, number one. I'm a female, number two. I exist in Nigeria, number three. So they are going to refer to me as a Nigerian girl. So internationally, they are going to see me as a Nigerian girl, and the same way they see you as a Nigerian girl, irrespective of states. So I'm going to talk to you because you really went there to embarrass yourself. And not us, but you dented Nigerian girls a bad name. You made them look like gold diggers. Yes. I'm challenging you to a live broadcast. I want to have a live broadcast with you. Since you have something to say, Saida Butch, you have something to say. I seem like you have a lot because you seem intelligent, but you're not channeling your intelligence to something productive. Yeah. And you're trying, and the worst of it is, that is the worst. Because my content or anything, you put out, just talk rubbish and you don't practice it. I'm ready for you. I want to even have a live broadcast with you. Face to face, why? So that you will tell me why. Tell Adandi Igbo and others why you should go there to disgrace young ladies, women internationally. And that's why more podcasts now. After your case, there's another case. Oh, a case also. Okay, I'm not calling this video. I'll put it in this video. I have brothers, I have uncles, I have friends. You cannot come out to say that 24 hours after meeting a man, that you charge the man for you being beautiful. And also, you came out to say that if a man gives you 20 million naira, 20 million naira, you can open, the man can go anywhere. You didn't even hide it to the extent that, okay, you're proud that boldness is exhibiting your characteristics or charisma in a positive way. You cannot be bold and be doing the wrong things. You cannot. And even if you mistakenly do the wrong things, you should come out with a restitutional mindset to restitute for the rubbish that you did. But no, anybody that talks to you, you bully the person. Anybody that talks to you, you bully the person. I'm waiting for you. You want to go? I even want to have a life so that we can talk. Because you're smart, right? You're intelligent. So since you're smart and you can say that, because let me tell you, you embarrassed us both internationally and locally. And you wouldn't know how far your content went. Your Medusa interview went to the extent that some even white people were asking, is that how Nigerian girls behave? Is that how Nigerian girls behave? Before you know, they're giving you a stigma because of people that don't think. They don't think with their head. You are telling, you have a brother. You are saying that you're what? A man can give you 20 million naira. More than 20 million naira without sleeping with you. What do you sell? You sell value. If you know, you know. Those things you are thinking or portraying out there that a man can enter. Let me break your analysis for you, Saida Butch. Saida Butch, the Saida Butch, I don't know, Saida Butch. Your analysis means that if 100 men has 20 million naira, 100 men can sleep with you. And if 100 men can sleep with you, invariably you are public. And anything that is public is easily accessible. And anything that's easily accessible is not precious. That means you're on the street. Have you ever seen gold harvested in the surface? You have to dig deep. And now you're proud and people and ladies are supporting you. A lot of ladies are supporting you. That's why somebody like this, what did you do?
Actually, I go my 5 years ago.
Okay.
I go okay, but university. Things were so hard for me, and one option was on a and on a street. Sometimes I didn't have time to get lectures because in the I would be very weak and very tired. I didn't want the time to get lecture. Along the line, the moment I device means saying I cover up on that side, but you just cover one day lecturers. And when the one particular year, no do mine, I'm lecture. My name making my pep.
I attended sent me an email to return my certificate within 48 hours. I want to ask, is this right?
So you've seen it, that she slept with all her lecturers and passed because she didn't have time. You had time to go and do hookup. You had time to do every other thing. But you didn't have time to study. You slept with all your lecturers and you came out on a live podcast to say it. And now the university is asking you to return the certificate in 48 hours. And you are saying, why should you? You will even tell about your... You will have sons tomorrow. You have brothers. It's in an open you get return the university certificate, return all your JAM results, return all your SSC, NECO, you don't know your junior WAEC, even return all your first school ribbon certificate, common entrance, you gotta return here. You don't want it. You're an embarrassment, a public disgrace. He put up me a cool nonsense now. Says okay, kita now. He was a click in the social worker lecturers. He was a click. I don't know how much people allow beauty to deceive you. They should pay you because you are beautiful. You have no value. You're not adding any value. They should pay you. Say that butch. They should pay you because you are beautiful. You have nothing to offer. They should pay you. That is why there's no love again in Nigeria. That is why there's no love. You will spend your time loving a guy, rich or poor. He will not believe you love him. He will be very sad. I'm not the only one my babe is seeing. I'm not the only one. Even when you are trying. Maybe there's an issue. Anything comes up. You are trying to apologize. They don't believe you. You are trying to reach out. They don't believe you. Because what? The ideology of exchange of money. If I don't have money, will she love me? If I don't have... Ladies, I'm talking to you now. Because this idea of broke guy or this one is not this the broke guy. Forget about it. Even that broke guy can change tomorrow. He may not be broke. First of all, go for love. Go for attitude. Go for somebody that treats you like a queen. Somebody that carries you like an egg. Somebody that respects you. And you respect them too. Because sometimes our mouth. Restitute for it. Apologize when you're wrong. Yes. There's no love again. You want to love somebody. They don't even believe you love them. Because of all this nonsense. All this pay me 20 million naira and get into me.